your man. Get off of me. Alright. Go faster. Alright, I'll go faster. Go as fast as I can. Thank you, Hersheyman. Alright. You know, I don't know why I haven't thought of this. Guess great things aren't usually easily thought of. Well, I guess so. Oh, I'm sorry, boss. I gotta go. Hostages in the closet, or I could go to the hostages in the closet. Alright, go. Alright. Should finally put me back on top. I can finally got that clone Riggy, and I can finally be on top. I can finally be head again. Alright. If I can build a small one, I can build a large one, and it seems like it's proven to be true. Alright. Let's see. Managed to work out the kinks of turning my VR headset into a cloning machine, but looks like I got some stuff to add. Starting with my avatar. Alright. Alright, now I should be able to play it like a headset as well as be a cloning machine. Alright, second up I guess is the second thing up I guess is oh yeah, next up is the sterilizers. Sterilize! Okay. So it looks like it's sterilized, but now I gotta put in. Now I gotta put in the de-sterilizers, or AKA just the amount of sterilizers. Sponsored by Fazbear Entertainment. Alright. Those are in. Good, good. Oh, nice. Alright. Looks like I got most of my things in. Looks like all I need is my mark, charge, personality, and something that I can test it with. Alright. Ding dong! Charizard. I'm back. Look who came! I'm surprised! Yeah, I am surprised. Give it here. Alright. I'll go. That idiot, he didn't know I saw it earlier. Alright. Alright. Well, I guess this works as an alibi, because my original, he likes Stanley, so I guess this works. Alright, this should work. Nice. Next up, get a ruler to test out if this works. Does it measure? Wow, it rules. That's nice. Can it swing it around like Meepkin? Oh my god, it can swing it around like Meepkin. That's crazy. Oh my god. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Okay, anyway. Okay. Let's put this in. Alright. There we go. Okay. Next up, my charging thing. Oh yeah, look at this beauty. Oh yeah, look at this beauty. Mincercraft. That's weird. Okay. Here we go. Oh, it's powerful. Let's just leave this for now. Hey, I guess if anyone comes in, that'd be good. That'd be a good thing to have. Ooh, wait, I almost forgot. I guess I should type in the ones for the rest of the gang so they don't get suspicious. Right. boss, clone Riggy, C.com, yo. Cool. Alright, that's good. Okay. Now all I gotta do is make my mark. Charizard! Aww. Please don't tell me it's you. Please just be rigging a costume or something. Why would you ever say that? Charizard. You look like you are destroyed or something. That was not the best quote. Yeah, that wasn't. Yeah, alright. I came for a checkup. Look at what you have over there. What is that? Well, it looks to me like that's some contraband. You know, you could get fired from the company. Bro, there's no company. We're not a company anymore. We're just the guys trying to fix YouTube. Well, I don't care. Looks like that's contraband to me. You could get fired for that. I think you already said that. Well, I don't care. I don't care. I'm taking this in the name of the boss. No, don't take it. Yeah, no, my personality. Hey, yo. Stanley. Dun, dun, dun. Rival creeper walking with the free. Bro, did you just throw me out halfway across the room? That's it. Night beam. I'm not book smart, I'm money smart. Bro, what is happening? Da ba 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 da ba. Ah no! Bum ba da ba. Ow. Oh God. Oh God. Ah! All right, where were we? No, my testing thing. Charizard back. What the? What'd you do? You're Stanley plushie. Ugh. Ugh. No, Yoshi-Man! Let me take these too. No, not the sterilizer. As for the rest of this, I'll be taking this in the name of the boss! No, you won't! I have a weapon over here and I'm not afraid to use it! I'm gonna go get it right now! Yeah, batch! Look at this for me. Charizard, you imbecile, Charizard. I'm sorry, I can't speak today. You fool, Charizard. You didn't think I could steal it? Well, think again. I can steal anything for the name of the boss, and you may not be part of the boss anymore. Yeah. No, is my entire thing gone? God damn, really? I literally spent hours, days working on this. I don't even care about that stupid thing anymore. Huh? What's this? What's this? Seems like an old VHS tape. I got a player here. Oh. Guess I'll put it in.
I've been wandering through the water and the forest. Oh my god, people! It feels good to see people again. Okay, if I know anything about video games, I should probably talk to this guy. Hey sir, it's the fastest way to get to the center of the city. Oh.